The Florida State offensive line had only allowed 16 pressures through 4 games. They give 24 to Miami on Saturday night. Snaps played by blue chip recruits on the O line and D line last night. Miami 319, FSU 47. That just shows you the type of players we got on our lines, type of players that we got on the line of scrimmage in the trenches. FSU left tackle Gunnar Hansen was 29.2, right guard, right tackle Adrian Medley 43.4, right guard Jacoby Rizzi 51.2. All had the lowest grade of their careers against Miami. They played a combined 103 games. So you ask what went well? The defensive line is a mofo. Recruiting matters. And it absolutely matters. 1000% matters.